Hello. Have you ever thought about if it's even possible to time travel? You might see in sci-fi movies people time traveling, like for example Back to the Future, but maybe it could be possible in real life. So we know that to time travel, we'll need to travel faster than the speed of light. An article says you need to travel faster than 1 second per second. In short, it means that right now, you are traveling 1 second per second, because obviously 1 second lasts 1 second for us. But time needs to travel faster than 1 second per second, possibly 1 nanosecond per second. This would most likely mean we are traveling to the future. Unfortunately, no one has figured out how to travel to the past. You might be thinking, can't we just travel slower than 1 second per second? But when you think about it, that would just mean time will go by slowly, not backwards. Another way of time traveling I have found is wormholes. A wormhole is 2 points, point A and point B, and is kind of like a teleporter. Entering one of them causes you to travel at the speed of light to the other one. Connecting the dots. If we need to travel faster than the speed of light to time travel, and entering a wormhole causes you to travel faster than the speed of light to the other one, maybe you could time travel doing that? Now the issue with all of these is that traveling faster than the speed of light will most likely cause your insides to flatten or something, so before we even figure out how to travel faster than the speed of light, we need to figure out how to travel faster than the speed of light or even at the speed of light without our insides flattening. Okay, so now let's look at other possible ways to time travel. I created a survey and one of the questions was, how do you think it is possible to time travel? One person answered, I watched a YouTube video about a scientist who figured out how to time travel. You need 2 cosmic strings, very thin but heavy strings that formed seconds after the Big Bang, that are parallel to each other. If you walk up to them it would bend space-time and time travel could be possible. This seems almost not believable, but it could be possible. I did some research and figured out that this actually is true. Cosmic strings are a crack in the fabric of the universe, that contain so much energy that they could potentially warp space-time. You basically take 2 parallel cosmic strings, and walk or fly, in a spaceship, in a figure 8 around the strings, and this will cause time to travel slower. Now this is still a theory because being able to actually use this to time travel would require extreme high technology to get to one of these cosmic strings, and to actually use them. Also, in my survey, I mentioned possibly using black holes to time travel. Einstein actually said that if you were to get very close to a black hole, it would have such a gravitational pull, it would slow down time, also that is sort of the same thing cosmic strings would do. Now obviously, we are trying to go back or forward in time, not slow down time, but what would happen if we somehow went into a black hole for a day or 2, and left the black hole and went back to Earth? What would happen? Okay, so now we have looked at many ways to time travel. Please comment down below which one you believe works, or maybe you believe all of them. Thanks for watching.